welcome to my channel. I'm en route to Wolverhampton from the Wirral to the guy called Ian to get my gearbox rebuilt on my vauxhall 2014 vauxhall Vivaro. And yes, it will get there. So it's noisy in a little bit in first, second. A strange one actually, because normally it's fifth and sixth. But, although fifth is noisy, but this one's second, a little bit in third and a little bit in fourth. Fifth, sixth is actually okay. So must have spent most of his life getting his head kicked in around town somewhere. So like first to second and third and fourth. The fifth has only just recently appeared. That never used to be like that. So you know it's getting worse. So it is a ticking time bomb, which I don't like. No one likes ticking time bombs. So this is why I'm getting it done, because it's work van. I'd rather have the choice than have it blow up on me. And when these gearboxes do collapse, they can wreck the housing. So it's a whole new gearbox. Where this guy, where I'm going to now, can get the gearbox out, strip it down while I wait, and then replace the bearings and need replacing. So it's a much cheaper option. It's speedy. Because if you imagine if my gearbox was to blow up now, I'd have to find a way to get the van to my chosen gearbox specialist. In this case, it turns out to be this guy, because I've used him before and he's done a great job, and that gearbox is still going. And also he's got really good feedback from the guys on various groups in the vauxhall Vivaro groups. So I've asked him if I could record it. It's not sponsored in any way, but I've asked him if I could record it just for my own little YouTube, and he's okay with that. So this is going to be a video of me driving, get the gearbox done, and driving home. So quite an easy. Said I can hang around, have some food and tea, whatever. And he'll show me the internals of my gearbox and stuff. As you know, normally I'd do something like this myself, but with it being my work van, I can't afford to have the van. I'm just too busy. I can't afford to have the van off the road. So cost effectively, I could be earning more money doing work than working on the van, because I'm going to be in and out of here in less than a day apparently. Even if it took a day, it's still going to take me longer to faff about on the driveway, jacking it up, drive shafts. That's if I get it from underneath. If it's front end off, it's a day's work just messing about doing all that, then getting the gearbox off, then stripping it down, then rebuilding it. And again, I'm not used to doing something like this on a daily basis, so this could take me 3, 4, 5 days. And to me, that doesn't, as much as I'd love to do it, it's just not worth doing it. I even thought about buying a little van and run around in that while I do it sort of like here and there. But then see, buying other vans straight away, I'm going to look at vans, there could be something wrong with it. Me having OCD and things got to be right, end up fixing that, and this is the easy option. So yeah, so here we are. I will see you all soon. So here we are. Got here this morning. I just left onto it. Getting a new clutch where I'm at it, and the gearbox is out. I'm currently getting stripped down, rebuilt. There's just no messing about. This would have took me all day. Just goes to show when you do something every day, actually you can do things like I can with roofs. Crazy. There's no way I could have done it that quick. All I've done is just tidied the back of the van. Just in the middle doing that. Just done all my shelves. In that time I've done my shelves, I've got the gearbox out. About just an hour. So it is literally drive in, drive out service. I'll keep you updated. So he's stripped it all down. And that's fourth and third, you say,
That's
yeah?
third and fourth, that is, yeah.
It just it wasn't popping out, but it was getting close. Just goes to show, doesn't it? A little tiny noise it makes.
I'm still recovering from Friday.
And then the bearing as well in the casing. That's sort of creating a noise apparently. It's still warm when I pulled up. But yeah, there you go. Look at that. Just getting the parts cleaner now. I can't believe how fast they just got this out and stripped down. This would have took me days. Look at that. I didn't think it was going to be that bad, to be fair. I'm stunned. But it drove fine, you know, just obviously noisy. Like I said, second, third and fifth. So that's it now. He's going to clean it all up, replace the gears that I need to replace in. Get it all cleaned up. Be like a new gearbox. You can pop a feel that as well, that lip. I couldn't get over the casting on these. It said this is normal. I'm usually I strip down motorbikes and I don't get any of this on bikes parts. The casting on these vauxhall gearboxes are, to me, that is just bonkers. Pop a feel that. So yeah. So I'm gonna leave these guys to it now. Do their thing. So there's my old one. You can see it's wall out here, and that's the new one. It's just got to fit.
So that's your kit. That's how it comes.
Yeah.
Can't just buy that gear individually. You've got to buy it as a full assembly.
Oh yeah. So see, this would have
So
been
it
all
comes
right.
third and fourth, and
Yeah.
new synchro rings as well on 3 and 4.
Yeah. So there's my clutch. As you can see, it's completely worn. You can see the cracks in it as well. It wasn't slipping. Oh god, it's uneven as well. But it was juddering. I can just see that with my eye. Warped. At some point must have got hot. But there you go. All the springs are knackered. Yeah, so obviously I'm getting that replaced. I always do that anyway when I get gearboxes off fans, cars. I always do the clutch, unless it's not long been done, but what are the chances are, eh? So yeah, that's the clutch done. It's going to feel like a new van. Let's just put it back together now. Looks like a busy man. Plenty of in. See you soon. There we go, at the reassembling part. Stage. Done that a few times, haven't you?
This is where they say, you ain't got no icing cakes. No.
That's what they say to me when I do baths and stuff.
Yeah. I'm alright at eating them. I should know, it's fucking sad every day.
That's it now, going back in. Nice quick turnaround. That's it, all pretty much done. Here since for 5 hours, 4 hours, 4.5 hours. I can't wait to drive it now. It's going to feel like a new van. No more judder, no more noise. Don't mind this busy man. That's it, my way home. From Wolverhampton back towards the Wirral, Chester area. And it's like day and night. The van feels completely different. No more whining. The gear stick doesn't move anymore. The clutch feels lighter because I have a new clutch. Obviously the pressure plates are knackered. Yeah, as soon as I put my foot on the clutch, I almost thought there was no clutch until I went to select gear. Obviously it was fine, but it was a bit of a shock. Still is actually, with that. I just done it then, just to knock down the gear. Even when we were talking about it, I felt it feels strange. It's strange how you get used to certain things. To be honest, I hated getting in the wife's car because I was storing it because I wasn't used to the gearbox being so. Her clutch being so light and it's being so heavy, but yeah, it feels like a different van. It's definitely worth doing when you've got the signs, rather than let it go to the point, like I said previously earlier on in this video, rather than let it go to the point where it's unrepairable. It's better to just get it done. So now I'm on my way home. I've been on the road now for half an hour, got another hour to go. It took about 4.5, 5 hours in the end. Because I was in my van, I had a good sort out of my tools in the back and stuff. So, you know, it didn't feel like it dragged on, to be honest, like I thought it was originally going to be. And I had it clean in the front of the cab and sorted things out and got through my receipts. Did a few things on my diary. I even did a bit of cardio, a bit of walking. Went for a walk around that area. Yeah, it's definitely it's not a long day. Sounds like it is, but it's not. And it's worth doing. It's worth getting it done. I'm a happy man anyway, so it just feels like a new van. I love it. I love the van again now. So that little whine was just getting on my nerves. Hated it. I put the music up and stuff like that. Strange because I have back ladders on the roof and they don't annoy me when they're rattling around and stuff in the back because it's meant to, but when it's not meant to make a noise, that's when it grinds on me, it runs me down. I hate it. I'm waiting for that ticking time bomb for it to go and let loose and then be stranded, and then you've got the stress of trying to get the vehicle to a chosen gearbox specialist. So, you know, you've got money, more money, recovery, stuff like that. Then without a vehicle, then you've got the chance you're going to book him in straight away, which is